Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to create an epic in ClickUp. And an epic is a large high-level body of work that is too big to complete it in one single sprint. So this means that if you are running multiple processes right here on ClickUp or in your company or whatever, you can write that down by yourself, but then give it more tasks than just one. So let's go, for example, right here to the plus icon, and we call this one epic. There we go. And then we do continue. Then we select right here project management, for example, and then we do create space. Then he's creating right here our list. And then if you can see right here, we can add tasks. So we do task 1. Let's call this one, for example, marketing. Then we have task 2, of course, and we call this one work. Then we have task 3, and we call this one, let's do, for example, vision. So now we have 3 tasks, and if you're asking me, I can go further on this way, but I'm running my company and my company is not doing a few things, but a lot of things. So then this is the way how you can create epics for yourselves on ClickUp. So if you have any questions about epics, please comment it down below. Hopefully this was exactly the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.